average Fisher South room, I don't have a roommate, but if you live in Fisher South, you might have one roommate. So I've bunked my beds, and you have the option of bunking your beds, or you can put them side by side and kind of have one half of the room over here, one half over here. So every room has a bed, a dresser, and built-in closets, which are super spacious actually. You also have a desk and a little stand, so you can keep this stand on your desk or you can move it for other storage. If you're coming to college for the first time, I would definitely recommend you bring command strips, because like everything on the wall, you're going to need them. If you're not going to bunk your beds, you might want bed risers, so that way you can store more furniture and have extra storage space, because all you do have is this room. Fisher South is a co-ed living community, and it's community style. So if you go down this hallway, you'll have the bathrooms for your floor, and so you'll definitely want to bring shower shoes, a little caddy, so that way in the morning you can bring your toothbrush and stuff. You don't have to make tons of trips back and forth. And I'd also recommend that you bring, if you can, a refrigerator. You can also get those through the university, but we have a central kitchen, so if you don't have a microwave or a toaster or an oven, you can go and use those. In your room, you're not allowed to have toasters, no candle warmers, nothing that would set the building on fire, and it's just a safety thing, but we have those available for you to use.